Excuse me, where are the apples?
They are next to the bananas.
How much are they?
$2 per kilo.
Do you have oranges?
Yes, they're over there.
Are they fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do you sell milk?
Yes, in the fridge section.
Is it full cream milk?
Yes, we have full cream and low fat.
How much is one bottle?
$3.
Can I get a bag?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hi, can I have a cappuccino?
Sure. Small or large?
Large, please.
Would you like sugar?
No, thank you.
Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
Yes, one muffin.
Blueberry or chocolate?
Chocolate, please.
That's $5.50.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, of course.
How long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight and turn left at the lights.
Is it far?
About 10 minutes on foot. Can I take a bus? Yes, bus number 5 goes there.
Where is the bus stop?
It's across the street.
How much is the ticket? $2. Does the bus come often?
Every 15 minutes.
Can I buy the ticket on the bus?
Yes, from the driver.
Is the station big?
Yes, it has many platforms.
Are there shops inside?
Yes, there are cafes and bookstores.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Hello, I need medicine for a headache.
Sure. Here are some tablets.
How much are they?
$5.
How often should I take them?
Twice a day.
With food or without?
With food.
Do you have vitamins?
Yes, over there.
Are they expensive?
No, they're cheap.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do you sell masks?
Yes, near the counter.
How much is one pack?
$3.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Upstairs, on the left.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is.
Where can I check in?
At counter number 5.
Do I need my passport?
Yes, please show it.
How many bags can I take?
2 bags.
Is there a cafe here?
Yes, near gate 10.
How long before boarding?
30 minutes.
Can I buy water?
Yes, at the shop.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is.
Where is the restroom?
Down the hall on the right.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there are outlets near the seating area.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Excuse me, can I try this jacket?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Do you have this in medium size?
Yes, here you are.
Is it available in blue?
Yes, we have blue and black.
How much does it cost?
$40.
Is there a discount today?
Yes, 10% off.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Do you sell shoes too?
Yes, on the second floor.
Are they for men and women?
Yes, both.
Do you have sport shoes?
Yes, many brands.
How much are the cheapest ones?
$20.
Can I return items?
Yes, within 7 days.
Do you have bags?
Yes, near the entrance.
Are they leather?
Some are leather, some are fabric.
Can I get a receipt?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
That's fine. How many people?
2, please.
Would you like a table inside or outside?
Inside, please.
Here is the menu. Would you like water?
Yes, 2 glasses.
Do you want still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have chicken.
And for you?
I'll take pasta.
Would you like soup first?
Yes, tomato soup.
Do you want bread with that?
Yes, please.
Any drinks besides water?
1 orange juice.
Would you like dessert later?
Yes, maybe ice cream.
Do you want chocolate or vanilla ice cream?
Chocolate, please.
How would you like to pay?
By card.
Do you need the receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to our hotel. Do you have a booking?
Yes, I booked a room online.
What's your name, please?
My name is Alex.
May I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
How many nights will you stay?
3 nights.
Do you prefer a single or double bed?
A double bed, please.
Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please.
Do you need WiFi access?
Yes, that would be great.
Do you want a room with a view?
Yes, with a view of the sea.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, thank you.
Do you want to pay now or later?
I'll pay now.
Will you pay by card or cash?
By card.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Do you want a wake-up call in the morning?
Yes, at 7 a.m.
Do you need information about this city?
Yes, a map would be helpful.
Here is your key. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to open an account.
Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, here it is.
Would you like a savings or a checking account?
A savings account, please.
Do you want online banking access?
Yes, that would be useful.
Do you need a debit card?
Yes, please.
Would you like to deposit money today?
Yes, I'll deposit fair $500.
Do you want to set up mobile alerts?
Yes, that sounds good.
Do you need a checkbook?
No, I don't.
Do you want to know the interest rate?
Yes, please.
It's 2% per year. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Do you want to add a beneficiary?
Yes, my husband.
Do you need help with online registration?
Yes, please guide me.
Do you want to receive statements by email?
Yes, that's easier.
Do you have any other questions?
No, that's all.
Great, your account is ready.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. What's the problem today?
I have a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
How long have you felt sick?
For 3 days.
Do you feel tired?
Yes. Very tired.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Do you take any medicine now?
No, nothing.
Do you drink enough water?
Maybe not.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you eat healthy food?
Sometimes, but not always.
Do you sleep well at night?
No, I wake up often.
Do you want me to check your throat?
Yes, please.
Do you want medicine for the pain?
Yes, that would help.
Do you need a doctor's note for work?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'll give you medicine and a note.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to send this package to London.
Do you want express delivery?
Yes, please.
May I see the package?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have the address written clearly?
Yes, on the label.
Do you want insurance for the package?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Do you want to track the package online?
Yes, please.
Do you want to send documents too?
Now, only this box.
Do you know the weight of the package?
About 2 kilos.
Do you want to pay by cash or card?
By card.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Do you want stamps as well?
Yes, 10 stamps.
Do you want local or international stamps?
International, please.
Do you want to buy an envelope?
Yes, 1 envelope.
Do you need help filling out the form?
Thank you very much. Hello, which movie would you like to watch?
I want to see the new action film.
Do you want the 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. show?
The 7 p.m. show, please.
How many tickets do you need?
To tickets.
Do you want regular or VIP seats?
Regular seats, please.
Do you prefer seats in the front or back?
In the middle, please.
Do you want popcorn?
Yes, 1 large popcorn.
Do you want a drink with that?
Yes, 1 cola.
Do you want sweet or salty popcorn?
Salty, please.
Do you want to pay by cash or card?
By card.
Do you need 3D glasses?
Yes, 2 pairs.
Do you want to join our cinema club?
Yes, what are the benefits?
You get discounts and free tickets.
That sounds great.
Do you want me to print your tickets?
Yes, please.
Do you need directions to the hall?
Yes. Where is it?
It's on the second floor. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you very much.